Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. We are going to stir fry kale and spinach. Now I can use extra virgin olive oil because I don't need super high heat to cook, you know? Generously. And then I have some ginger and garlic. Semi-frozen. Until aromatic. Simple, stir fry, and delicious and healthy. And here I have kale, fresh kale. Kale is a good vegetable to stir fry. This is good. And spinach is very easy to cook, you know, much tender. So we're gonna stir fry the kale first. You can eat this raw with salad, or you can make soup or stir fry with other things. It's gonna be so delicious. Simple, easy to make. Yeah? Just cook for a few minutes, and now we're gonna add in some spinach because the kale right now is like almost done. There we go. Get them a lot of spinach. Mix it in. That's for two boys. Here we go. And then I add a little more extra virgin olive oil. We need oil to cook. It's okay. So now we're gonna toss it gently. Like this. You see? You see what I'm talking about? I'm gonna add more spinach. The spinach is delicious, so healthy for you. Good iron. See, the spinach will melt really quick. Alright, here we go. This will be a great for side dish, you know? You can eat it warm or cold. Put it in the refrigerator after chill, cold, like a salad. Okay. Salt, lightly, black pepper, that's it. You don't need to add water or anything like that, no. Strictly stir fry. Here we go, it's done. Oh, look at that. If you overcook, the spinach is gonna be so tender and juicy. I like it like this, you know? I don't want the spinach overcooked. Just like this. Turn off the heat. Done. Get my spoon. I'm going to try one. Kale. Like this. Trust me, delicious. Spinach. Oh yeah. That's the way to go, my friend. See? Oh, so good. I can eat all day like this. How come it's still hot? I turned the fire off. Look. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. Very simple stir-fry green. Ginger, garlic, some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. That's that. Look at how beautiful. Oh yeah.